Welcome to this video on the 2026 architectural divide, where we'll explore the real differences between Claude Code and Codex. Claude Code is a local CLI powered by Sonnet and Opus 4.8, running on your machine and accessing your file system. Codex is cloud/IDE-native, powered by GPT 5.5 Codex, operating in isolated cloud sandboxes. Claude Code, or steering, excels in conversational, real-time collaboration with deep context, ideal for exploratory refactoring and large code bases. Codex, or dispatching, focuses on autonomous async task delegation and multiple parallel tasks, best for straightforward implementations and parallel feature generation. Codex is 3 times more token efficient for identical tasks. The subscription model of Claude amortizes better for heavy daily use, while API billing with Codex wins for light batch tasks. A significant concern is security. 87% of AI-generated pull requests introduce at least one vulnerability. These include broken access control, business logic flaws, and hard-coded or insecure JWT secrets. The old security paradigm, scanning at the final build, is too late. The new paradigm requires a contextual security review at the pull request level, treating the AI agent like a junior developer. The hybrid workflow routes tasks to the right agent. Use Claude Code for complex architectural refactoring in the morning, then use Codex for parallel feature implementations in the afternoon. Both outputs flow through a unified PR-level security checkpoint before merging. Thanks for watching this video from the Context Window channel.